Hey guys, namaste and welcome back to my channel once again, and I hope you people are doing good and I'm also doing great. The summers are here, great. Okay, actually this today's video is going to be one of my what to say, I just wanted to do this video since long, okay, but actually I was not getting time, only on the work schedule, the freaking what to say busy days, so I was not able to shoot this type of videos. So finally today I got time and I got the products also again, so I thought that I should share the review of these products with you people. So these are the products which I have ordered regularly, not only once. I've ordered once, twice, thrice, and they are really very good and they worked good for me. So I thought that I give a review of these products to you people, because many of you people keep on asking me that what do you use for your skincare, what are the makeup products you use, what is the shade of the lipstick, what are the foundations you use. So actually these products which I'm going to show you today, these are my favorite ones which I regularly purchase, and I have got stuck to these products. Okay, so this time also again I have ordered this product from Nykaa, and I thought of sharing the review of these products with you people. So yeah, let's start with the video without any further ado. And if you want to get these products, or if you like these products, okay, then you can get these products from Nykaa. Okay, so yeah, let's start with today's video guys. So guys, the first product is one of my favorite products, okay, in the makeup product, in the skincare product. This is one of my favorite products, and that is, guess what, it is sunscreen. Okay, I never step out of my house without a sunscreen. I may go without food to my office, but I never step out of my house without a sunscreen. The most important thing in my life is sunscreen guys, and this is the Aqualogica sunscreen. This is SPF 50 plus, and it is Glow Plus DV sunscreen with papaya and vitamin C. And this sunscreen is really very good guys. To give you a proof, I can just show you another tube as well. So this is not over, okay, and after it gets over I'm going to use this. I always stock it up, okay, and it has a very thick texture, but it melts into your skin like in a second, and it gives you a very glowy skin. So whenever you apply the sunscreen, on top of that, when you apply your foundation, your tint or your BB cream, CC cream, it just looks perfect and it gives you that glowy skin from within. So I love this sunscreen, okay, and the price of the sunscreen is 599 rupees, but you can always get it at an offer rate in Nykaa. So yeah, this is my first favorite, and it should be yours as well, the sunscreen. And the second product is, I think I have been stuck to this product since ages. Since I have known makeup, I have been using the product of this brand, and I'm stuck to this foundation. Okay, actually I use many other foundations as well, but I'm stuck to this foundation usually during the summer season, okay, and that is the Maybelline foundation. This is Super Stay Activewear, and it is up to 30-hour foundation. To show you the proof how much I'm in love with the product, you can just see the bottles out here. 2 bottles already used, a little bit remaining so that I can use it. So actually this was 24-hour foundation before, but now they have given 30-hour foundation, okay, and yeah, I have to use this. How it is different from this one, then I can give you the review. Otherwise this foundation is very good for the oily skin people, okay. It melts into your skin, but one thing you have to keep in your mind while applying this foundation is that you have to first apply it on one side and work with it, and then apply it on the other side and then work with the other side. If you apply foundation all over your face at once, then it will be very difficult for you to blend this foundation, because it does not give you time to blend. It dries up really very fast, but it's going to stick with you for 24 hours. So my second best product, the Maybelline foundation. So this is my third favorite product, and this is again a sunscreen. I don't know guys, I love to use different types of sunscreen throughout the week. I don't know whether I am only the one or you also love to do so. Please do comment in the comment section below if you are like me. Okay, and this is one of my favorite freaking product, and that is the Dr. Sheth's Viral Ceramide and Vitamin C sunscreen. Okay, and I have been using this sunscreen since 1 year, and to show you, I just have another one as well. I have finished it and I have cut the pack to dig into the product so that I can use the full product. So I think we Indians, so yeah, so this is one of my favorite product, and compared to the Aqualogica one, this is a bit, want to say, a water based thing. Okay, it's a bit lighter than Aqualogica, but it also does not leave any white cast, and it instantly brightens of your skin because it has ceramide and vitamin C. Because along with your age, you have to keep these products, or you have to indulge into these ingredients, that is the ceramides and vitamin C, to brighten up your skin. So yeah, if you are looking for a sunscreen which can like instantly brighten up your skin, then you have to go for this. This is the Dr. Sheth's Ceramide and Vitamin C sunscreen, and the price for this one is $6.99 for 800 grams of product. You can get a smaller tube also. You can try with that one, and you can just, if you love it, then you can just go into this bigger one. So yeah, this is my third product. So the fourth product which is in my favorite list is again a foundation. Okay, and actually I had the pack of this, old pack of this one also, but I misplaced it somewhere but I have already used this product. Okay, and I'm in love this product during the summers as well. And if you want like a light foundation, you don't want to get it heavy on your skin, and you don't want to feel that you are wearing something beneath your skin, then this is the foundation. And this is the Faces Canada All Day Hydra Matte Foundation with 3-in-1 foundation, moisturizer and sunscreen. So it has all in one, and when you apply this foundation, you feel very light on your skin, and it is a very light to medium coverage, whereas the Maybelline was a full coverage foundation. And while applying the Maybelline one, you'll feel a bit heavier because it is a full coverage foundation, but when you apply this foundation, you feel like your skin is like real skin. Okay, you have not applied anything. So I love that thing about this foundation, and it retails for 549 rupees. So yeah, if you want to try, you can try this one as well. And I am in the shade Absolute Ivory 012. So if you are in my shade tone, then you can just go for this shade. So very, very, very good foundation. So my next favorite product is a primer, and you all know that how important a primer is, okay, to keep your makeup intact. And I still remember that day when I was scrolling through my Facebook and I got to know about this product, and I was a bit skeptical about this product, whether I should buy it or not. And I thought that why not, I should give it a try. So after giving it a try, I never stopped buying this product, and I have finished 2-3 bottles of it. And this is the Rennie Bollywood filter. Let me show you the proof. So I have not finished with this one, I'm about to finish, and then I'm shifting to the new pack. Okay, so this Rennie Bollywood filter, the name is so good, Bollywood filter, and yes, it gives you a filter effect. After applying this primer, it blurs out your pores, guys, and it gives you a, what to say, a very matte canvas on which you can work, and your base looks flawless. I have recommended this primer to many people, and they also love it. So if you are wanting for a good primer, then you should definitely give a try to the Rennie Bollywood filter. And this retails for, I forgot the price, let me check it out, and it retails for 450 rupees, but it's always on a discounted rate. Okay, so you should give it a try to this primer, guys. Really, really, really good primer. So guys, my another favorite product is related to my eyebrows, because I think if your eyebrows are well defined, then your makeup looks good. So for this, I always stick on to the pack eyebrow cream or the eyebrow pomade. Okay, it's super pigmented, super, what to say, good eyebrow cream. So if you are looking for a very, very, very good eyebrow cream in an affordable price. It comes around 600 to 650 because I think the box, I misplaced the box, okay, the packaging, because I was getting shortage of the product. I already finished this one, so I had to use this one, and it is in the shade Cuban Espresso. So if you are on my shade, then you can use the Cuban Espresso shade. Very good one, and it lasts for more than, if you buy one, it lasts for more than 6 to 7 months, guys. So very durable, very good and affordable eyebrow cream from PAC. So the another product which I'm going to talk about is also, like, I have been using this since I have known makeup, okay, and that is the, I think this might be your favorite as well. So this is the Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline, okay, and I use the shade 120 Light, okay, and this concealer is beyond expectation, guys. It's so, what to say, it's so buttery in texture, and it's very easy to blend, and it gives you that full coverage, brightens up your face, highlights up your face instantly, and you're not going to complain about this concealer. So this is one of my favorite concealer, and let me show you the finished one as well. So this one has already got over, and I am going to use this one. So my another favorite and one of my favorite concealers is the Maybelline Age Rewind Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and it retails for around 729 rupees, okay. I think it might be on a bit higher side than other concealers, because nowadays you get different concealers at a very cheaper rate, but this concealer is mind-blowing, guys. So if you are looking for a good concealer, then you can grab your hands on the Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline. So my another favorite product is a setting spray, or you can say a mist, okay, and actually I love to try new products, and I'm not lying to you people, this is my second bottle. I love the first one, so I purchased second one as well, and this one is from the brand Kalaba, okay, and it is their Stay the Day finishing mist. And one thing I loved about this product is that you can use this mist before applying your makeup and after you have applied your makeup as well, and it what to say, revives your skin instantly, and it retails for 850 rupees for 100 ml. Good quantity. And to give you a proof, I've already finished one and I'm shifting towards this one. The mist is very fine mist, and it does not take any time to settle in your skin. So yeah, this is a very good choice if you are looking for a good finishing mist or a setting spray, and you can give a try to this one as well. So guys, with this we have come up to the end of today's video. So these were the products which I am in love, okay, and so I hope you liked my today's video. So if you liked my today's video, then please do like, share and comment below. I would love to hear from you people. So yeah, this much for today. So meet you up in the next video. Bye bye, and take care of yourself, take care of your skin, keep glowing and stay beautiful. Bye bye.